Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to solve a Megaminx, a- and um, so yes, let's start, I guess. So first, we're gonna make the just like on a 3x3, because this one's just like a 3x3. We're gonna make the white star on this one, but this one you do a cross. But then we're gonna do the two layers just like on this one. So pretty much, it's just like it's very similar to the 3x3. So right now, let's just do like the 3x3 and get the white cross done, which is very, very simple right here, where you just have to move sides. And after that, just like on a 3x3, we will be getting these corners. Um, let's see. This one can go here now. If okay, move that way, that I guess. Um, and we will pretty much get all these corners for the white side. And once we do this, the white side should be solved. If it's not, you did something wrong, or you're not finished. But the white side should be solved after that. And now we're gonna solve the second layer, which it's simple enough. It's very repetitive, honestly. Um, where let's see, all we do is get something like this, move it to the side, then left algorithm, right algorithm, just like the 2x2. Very, very simple. I mean, not 2x2, 3x3. And pretty much after you continually do this, you'll have the second layer solved, which is not the end of the 3x3 steps, but fairly close. But after you continually do this, you'll have the second layer solved. But let's see. Um, I guess right here we can get purple and yellow done like that. Now I'll get um green and purple uh by doing this and then moving it back again like that. And then yellow and blue, which is right there. So again, we'll do the same thing we were just doing. And then that second layer is solved. And then, let's see, we will get this upper layer now for the top of those sides, where we will do pretty much the exact same as, well, not the exact same as what we were just doing, but fairly close, where we'll get one of these bottom sides done. Actually, that's not the bottom side. What am I doing? I need beige, red, and green, which is right here. And I will orientate this correctly to put right there. I will then get this center edge right here. And this center edge is beige and green. So we will look for that. It's right here. So I'll get up there. And then the rest, just like we've been doing, just move it sideways, then right algorithm, then left algorithm. And then we get, let's see, we get beige, blue, and green, which is right here. Um, or again, orientate it correctly, and then you will put it in. And then blue and green, you will just simply move this up twice, and then do the same as before with that algorithm. And then blue, green, and purple, you will just get this down here and orientate this correctly to, let's see, right here. So that's orientated correctly. So that side's finished. And you pretty much do that um, until you have two sides left, and then you do something a bit different. But um, I guess you just keep doing that, and then go until there's two sides left. And okay, now we are on to the last few layers right here and here. These last two sides. So we're gonna continue with just getting these orientated correctly and inserted. So we need blue and green, which is right here. And again, insert it into the correct spot. Now we rotate this one. Yeah, rotate this one till it's correct. Then put that in. Now I need these last two right here, where we need a blue and purple. The blue and purple is right here. We'll take that out of its spot, place it, and now this right here. And then we'll need this right here. Boom. Okay, now we have all the bottom sides finished. Um, and then now we're onto these top sides. And so we're just gonna continue like what was just happening where we're getting all these pieces. All these center edges. That's what we're gonna continue with. So pretty much I'm just gonna continue with that. Um, and just when you're done with this, you should have one last layer to complete. Um, and after that, we're on to the gray layer. If I can turn, jeez. And so we're on to the gray layer now, the last layer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it upside down, like this. And then I'm gonna keep the upside, or like this, so you guys can see. But we're pretty much gonna orientate every gray piece to be on the top, just like these two are. So we're gonna turn it upside down, and then we're gonna do right algorithm until the gray piece is facing down. And then we're gonna turn the bottom until you get to another piece, a corner piece that isn't facing, or the gray isn't facing down. And we're gonna do the same that we were just doing with right algorithm. And then we're gonna keep doing that, keep turning it till you get to another one, and then you'll do right algorithm again, and then now we simply need to get these center edges correctly orientated, where if they're on opposite ends like this, then he'll do this algorithm. Anyway, this is just like the 303 again, where you will just go up and then just like that. And this pretty much is, it's just very simple algorithm. Um, and that's what we're gonna do right here on this side. And after that, let's see. So after we continue with this, we're gonna actually hold on. Okay, so pretty much we will look at the sides that are opposite. We will then go up, top, down, top, up, top, 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 and then down. And then we will reorientate the sides to the correct state where, let's see. So we only have one that will be correct. So what we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna do that same algorithm. Um, but just try to find some time where these would match up. Like, let's see, just trying to, okay, pretty much right here is, hold on. Okay, so we now have that um where we pretty much uh let's see. Okay, now we can do what I was just showing, where we do this, and then we will pretty much um just look for any sides we can solve that are all kind of connected. Like, let's see. Doesn't look like it. So, again, I can do another one of those. Then look for it again. This time I have a blue. Let's see. I will then do that again. And then I have a blue, green, beige, and orange. So, let's do this again, just to kind of find the right orientation we need. Okay, we have pink and orange. So what we're gonna do is do it on this side. And after that, let's see, do we have, no we don't. So we are pretty much just trying to get the centers connected. Okay, so pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this green right here, and we're gonna do the algorithm right here once. It didn't solve that one, but it should solve this one. But if it didn't solve it, do this algorithm again, and then, so it didn't solve it, but it solved that one. So pretty much if we have two adjacent ones, where there's one right there and one right there, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it counterclockwise, check if any solved. One did, but then check for clockwise and none solved. So we'll go counterclockwise, and we'll turn to the side that's solved. We'll do the algorithm once, and then it didn't solve that, so we'll do it again. And this time it solved it. Then we'll turn it so that there's one right there and one right there. We will then do the algorithm once, and then all of them are solved. And after that, we will make all the gray sides face up. So we'll turn it upside down, and then we'll do, on one of the unsolved sides, or corners, we'll do right algorithm until the gray side's on the bottom. And after you do this, don't turn the whole cube, just turn the bottom layer till the next unsolved corner, then do the same. And after you've done this several times, you should get the gray face solved and every other one unsolved. So now we're gonna orientate the things back to the correct position. And then we are gonna um, solve these corners. So we'll go to one unsolved corner, and there are some algorithms we're gonna use. Where one's called forward, one's called backward. We're gonna pretty much move this. We're gonna use forward algorithm on that, and that is pink and green. So we'll go to pink and green. We'll then use backwards. That is beige and blue. We'll go to that side. Forward. Well then that's doesn't have one, so we'll go to a random unsolved one and do that. Orange and green. Right there. Beige and pink. And after you do that, it should be solved. And after this video, you hopefully will know how to solve a Megaminx, and that's all.